Hello beautiful, and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be sharing with you a waxing kit. I will be doing an unboxing and also a try on. Stay tuned. So let me tell you, an Amazon seller got contact with me and they wanted me to review their product. So I decided to do it. This is how the packaging comes in. It does come secure. Once you pull the product out of the box, then you'll find a purple box that looks like this, and then on the side it tells you what you will be getting. So let's go ahead and open it up. Once you get in the box, then you're gonna find 4 bags of these waxing beads, and there are different colors. You will get 2 dark blue color, 1 pink, and 1 purple, and that is because each one of those baggies are for different things. Okay, one of them is lavender, rose, and chamomile. So I thought that was quite interesting. It also comes with your actual application sticks and also some cleaning strips. You're gonna get 20 of them. Once you open up the actual waxing machine, this is where you're gonna get everything. Is well packed. Also, one thing that I really liked are these aluminum containers, because I don't know if you know this, but I don't know. Let me insert a picture of what I'm talking about. This is the machine that I used to have before, and what a mess. So these containers are going to be helpful if you only want to use a little bit of wax. And also on the bigger container, you have this stick right here, and that is to clean your applicator. And then here, of course, you have your temperature control. Do not forget to check out the user guide. It does tell you how to use it to begin with. So let's go ahead and try this machine. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and plug it to the wall. I am going to start just turning it on, and then you do see the light here. It is red, that means it's on, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and start putting some wax pearls in the little container. I'm just gonna try a little bit. Okay, let's see. First, you always have to try a little bit before you try your entire body, and that's on everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up to the highest setting, which is 185 Fahrenheit, and I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it there. According to the instructions, it says to leave it there from 8 to 15 minutes, but since it's only a little bit, it only took about 3 minutes to get it ready. And once the wax has melted, then you will turn the knob to 110 to 125 Fahrenheit, and that depends on your skin. Okay, if your skin is sensitive, then of course you would have to adjust it. Okay, my skin is not sensitive, so I can pretty much do anything and everything is good. So I'm ready to apply it. It is super simple to do. So I'm just checking here that the wax is actually dry, and I just peel it against the hair growth. Okay, so here we go. It's really not painful at all, and it got all the hairs. Now, my hairs weren't too long. Okay, they were like this, which I don't like, and it actually took them off. Okay, as you can see here, this area, there's no hair there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try some more for you. Every single application is very smooth, very easy. I always wanted to try leaving the stick like so. I've seen it in many videos, and yeah, it worked that way as well. So I like to also wax my neck, and I cannot wait to try this on my actual neck. So check it out. So is this product worth it? Absolutely. Here's a picture of the actual wax already used. So I recommend this product. Absolutely. I think it works wonderfully. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you are deciding to try it. And like always, I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Mwah. Adios.